Well, we're walking through the woods again. Forgot my GoPro, so I'm using my iPhone today in search of a hole. I think I see one down in there. I don't know how I'm gonna get to it yet. I think I'm gonna climb this down locust tree. I can just jump over that baby. There we go. I think I see something way down there. Maybe that run on the left, or maybe way down there is a pool. Well, let's see if I can get to it. Guess we're gonna go back in the woods. I think it's important to let you know today I am running with, yeah, if I could show you here. How can I get a good twist on that? Yeah, I'm running on no waders. I got a tear in my waders, so I sent them back. In the meantime, I'm just wearing the boots and some rubbers. Neoprene, gonna do just fine. Anyway, back in the woods. Well, we got a nice little spot here, it looks like. I'm walking in on it. Let's check this out. It's like a nice little pool right here. Come up this edge. Actually a beautiful little pool here. Look at this. Look at this. This could be fun. Nice little run. Some rocks coming down here. And I don't know, right about here looks really good and deep. Let's see what I can find. Nice little fish. A 10-incher. What a beauty. All right, here we go again. Another trail. Looks like a well-made trail for some axe factory. I'm guessing there used to be an axe factory here one day. They called it the Axe Family Preserve. would be my first time fishing here. I guess I've made a lot of firsts this year. Anyway, it looks like a, wow, there's the factory. Look at that. Look at that. There's a factory right there. Huh. So this was actually the factory right here on the water. Down there, you can see the water way down there. I think you can. Kind of hard to see, but it's down there in the woods. Well, I got to get down there. Well, here's where we came out. Pretty amazing. Wow. It's just beautiful out here. I can't believe it. Old axe factory. Rocky. Nice little spot there. Let's give that a shot. Oh, here's a neat little spot. I guess I'm gonna check the strength of this. We got some stairs. And it looks like Chris Banza, Eagle Scout Project. Guess he made the stairs here. Pretty cool. Getting closer to the creek. And I'm gonna take this trail up and around, and maybe it's gonna come down to the water. We'll see. It looks like the old factory was here. This is part of the walls. And if we zoom in close, you can see possibly they diverted the water to go under that little water bridge, I guess, down there. I'm guessing the water came through here at one point. And the factory was all in here. You can see the wall, the trees have come around it. Interesting place. I'm gonna get down there and see what's up.